Okay, today we'll do exercise 2.6. Solve the following equation. Question number 1 we will do first. Here we'll have the equation, that is 8x minus 3 divided by 3x equals to 2. Here we'll have the equation. Equation means we have two sides. First we have left hand sides, LHS, that is the left hand side, we have 8x minus 3y divided by 3x equals to, we have right hand side, that is RHS, we have 2. And just look at in this equation, in the left hand side, here we'll have the two part, that is the numerator and the denominator. So right hand side we have only the numerator, so we have to make the denominator, we can write down divided by 1. So here these two equations, these two sides will balance, both the have numerator and the denominator. So in the next steps what we have to do, we all know this, we have to cross multiply. In order to get the value of this x, we have to cross multiply. That means we have to multiply this way. That means the cross multiply means we have to multiply 8x minus 3 by 1 and 3x by 2. So in the equations we can write down like this: 8x minus 3, this 2 has to multiply with 1, and in between we have equals to sign, so keep it as it is, equals to. In the next sides we have 3x multiplied by 2. Clear? Now we all know that 1 ले कुनै पनि number ला multiply गर्दा will get the numbers. So here 8x minus 3 ला 1 ले multiply गर्दा will get 8x minus 3 only. Clear? This is our left hand side, equals to. In our right hand side, here we have variables x and the numbers 3 and 2. So here only the number can multiply, number like we can multiply. So 3 into 2 will be 6, and the variables 1, keep it as it is, 6x. Clear? So now we have to identify the like terms एक जगह राख्नु पर्यो. So here 8x and 6x is the like term, किनभने x variable is same and 3 is different, 3 ला अर्को sides मा लानु पर्यो. So the next steps will get 8x. Clear? 8x, and this we have to transfer, this is plus, if you transfer this will be minus 6x is equal to this minus 3, that means this is your minus 3, if you transfer this will be plus 3. So the next steps will get 8x minus 6x, this will be number you have to subtract it, will get 2x equals to 3. Now here we have to find out the value for x only. So x, keep it as it is, we have to transfer this 2 is multiplying with this x, so if you transfer this will be divided. Clear? Now so therefore x is equal to 3 by 2 will get. By following the steps you will get the value for x is equal to 3 by 2, and we have to follow this all the steps in order to get the value. Now by looking at question number 1, you can do question number 2. Okay, you can do question number 2, and I'll do the question number 4. By looking question number 4, you can do question number 3 also, 3 and 5 also. Okay, we have question number 4 like this: 3y plus 4 divided by 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 by 5, and this is our questions. Okay, this is our equation. Now here we have to find out the value for y. Here also we have the two sides, that is left hand side and the right hand side. In the left hand side we have 3y plus 4 divided by 2 minus 6y, and in the right hand side we have minus 2 by 5. Now next steps what we have to do as we did in question number 1. Similarly here also we have to cross multiply. Okay, for cross multiplications 3y plus 4 will be multiplied by 5 and 2 minus 6y will be multiplied by minus 2. Okay, here now next steps what we will get, that means you have to multiply 5 into 3y plus again with this 5 we have to multiply 4 also. So we have 5 into 4 and this left hand side completed. Now equal to sign is there, put the equal to sign. Now in the right hand side minus 2 later you have to multiply 2 minus 6y. So minus 2, we have minus 2, so minus 2 as it is, minus 2 into first we have to multiply 2, so we'll get minus 2 into 2. Clear? Now next steps you have to multiply the sign also, that means minus 2 को minus and 6 को minus, that will be minus into minus will be plus. So we have to multiply 2 into 6y. Now in the next steps as we did in question number 1, similarly what we have to do, we have to multiply the number and the variable as it is. So 5 into 3 will be 15 and variable will be same, that is 5. Now at between we have sign plus, so 5 4s will get 20 and this is our left hand side. Now in the right hand side minus 2 into 2 will be minus 4. Clear? Now in the next we have plus sign. Okay, now 6 2s will get 12y. Clear? Now next we have to identify, we have to separate the like terms, that means 15y and 12y together you have to write down. So 15y already we have in left hand side and this 12 plus 12y we have to you plus 12y लाई हामीले कहाँ लानु पर्यो, in the left hand side, and this is plus 12y. If you change the sign, the sign will change, that will be minus 12y. Clear? Now equals to we have minus 4, keep it as it is. Now with this number we have in left hand side plus 20, you have to transfer this will be plus 20 will be, if you transfer this will be minus 20. So now in the next steps 12y minus 15y minus 12y will be number you have to subtract it. 15 minus 12 will be 3y. Clear? Equals to, and minus we know always we have to add. So 20 plus 24 will be 20 plus 4 will be 24 and the sign will negative only. Both the दुईटा number negative छ भने negative sign हुन्छ, तर you have to add the number. Now in order to find the value for y we have to transfer this 3 to the right hand side. So we'll get minus 24, this is multiplying, if you'll change this will divide it, that means y is equal to minus 24 divided by 3. So y is equal to, these two are common factors, will get 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24. So y is equal to minus 8 will get. So this is the required solutions of questions number 4. Here we'll get y is equal to minus 8. Now looking at these two solutions, question number 1 and question number 4, try to do question number 2, 3 and 5.